Hello, friends. This is Akul Mac Live, and I'm Chandrakant. And today's challenge is basically slightly tough, but it's more logical. And if you look at this challenge today, you will know what I'm talking about. It involves circles and tangents, and as you can see that there are two tangents from the both sides of the circle, and then eventually these tangents intersect at a particular angle. And what we need to do is basically find the area of this shape which has an outline of in yellow color. So as you can see that these are the two tangents which are intersecting both at a particular angle, and we need to find the area of this shape, this crazy shape. And just to give you a hint, when you attach from the point when the tangent touches the circle and the focal point, then the angle that it draws is 90 degrees. So I think it's a very, very clear, very good hint, uh, which involves, certain theorem that you can use. Some of you would know exactly what hint I'm giving, but this is a fairly easy geometrical problem. Look at it again. It looks difficult, it looks slightly elaborate, but if you think logically, it is very easy, and it's very simple. You can just apply one or two equations to solve this problem. So uh, I just want to know how many of you can solve this problem in less than 3 minutes. And I'm sure you will be able to do that. Look at it again. We need to find the area of this shape which has an outline in yellow. All right, friends. So all the very best, and I look forward to receiving your solutions. I like to know how many different ways people can approach to solve this problem. So get cracking on it, and I'll catch up with you in the next challenge.